Hey Cardano holders, so Cardano is completely explode my brother in upcoming time. Cardano will wake up and moving upward. The big pumps is coming soon. The big pumps my friend also take in the same time. Let's get start the prediction my brother. We predicate this coin, we do a technical analysis and also share opinion in this video. So let's get started. First of all, I will update you my brother about Cardano towards a new update in this time my brother about Cardano. So let's see my brother. First of all, you can see the price update. So the price is come to 1.542 USD dollar. Oh my goodness, tomorrow my brother when I see to the price is 1.3 USD dollar, but today now again my friend the price changed and to 1.4 USD dollar. So that's mean to the price is in the profit, and as you can see my brother this time the price is increased my friend 0.55%. Oh my goodness, in last 24 hours, but absolutely in last 7 days this coin is also in the profit now. So that's mean my brothers to Cardano it's also price increasing and the rank is green, the market cap increased, and last 24 hour sorry my friend, yes, 24-hour volume is also increased and USD price is increased. So that's been over this to completely the coin is in the profit in the same time, and definitely my friend they will give you a profit. But remember my brothers to in the start of month, especially the first week of every month, the all cryptocurrencies my friend very badly falls down, but at the same time this is very good news for all of you to they will moving upward. Let's predicate this coin to upcoming time there is a chance to they moving upward or not. Please, before I get started this video, please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much for subscribing our YouTube channel. Yes my brother, this time as you can see my brother the Cardano price especially increased from last 24 hour. Just in only last 12 hour this coin take a very good profit, but absolutely my friend you can see here after that my friend after this short jump they will fail us down. And if you remember the last 1 hour chart, so it's in negative now. If you want then I will absolutely show you again. You go now my friend and check out my friend in the start of this video. So this time my brother you can see here the price as after a jump they will fail us down, but definitely my friend after a failure they will also take a very huge jump now. Yes my brother, this is absolutely my friend our graphic currency is moving in this circulation. So therefore my brother this is the simple method my friend of this my friend circulation. So yes, exactly, there is a lot of chances my friends to upcoming time they will move upward, because after this fail I'm 100% sure my brothers so they will wake up and they will completely go in the moon now. So let's see holder to what they do, but kindly holder you need to hold. My opinion is to please hold and wait for the good time. I hope my brothers the price will be increased. See you next time holder, please remember to hold. Allah Hafiz, take care.